Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I want to do some tinkering with the air compressor. I've got it fully drained. The drain valve's open, and this is the output where the manifold sat. This is what came on it. This fitting was in here, and then the manifold was on here with a regulator and quick connect. So I want to be able to take pressure off of the regulator. So I want to get this cutoff valve in there somewhere. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come off of here and put this 90 on here. I'm going to take this back apart and put threads on it. Thread sealer on it. But I'm going to put this part in like this so that if I ever need to take it all back apart, I can take it all off to this fitting and then just spin this fitting out. I'm going to do a quick mock-up though. I need to get this manifold back on there for the safety valve and for the tank pressure gauge. I'll move the pressure relief to the bottom since there's clearance for it, and then have everything come off of the side of the manifold that way. Alright, so now I'll get a double male fitting in here, set this out like that, and I'll make sure once I'm finished tightening it up, it all comes around to the side. Then the new pressure regulator, which actually goes this way, and then the quick connect valve over there. So yeah, I have all the parts. So we can go ahead and put this on. This already has the thread lock stuff on it, so we don't need to add anything to this. Alright, so that's my cutoff. And this is my quick connect. We are pumped up to here. The valve is closed. No pressure there. Slowly open this valve. Alright, so you can actually turn it off from there, but leaving that pressure sitting on this thing I think is what's been causing problems for my other ones. But we'll take this pressure here up to 90. And lock it. And then when I'm done for the day, I can close the pressure off and release it. And then I don't have pressure sitting on this regulator. So I'm thinking that that's going to keep me from having to keep buying these things. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Still, looks kind of Frankensteinish, but I think this is going to help me out quite a bit. So cutoff valve, I still want to see that the tank's pressurized, so I put the cutoff valve after the tank pressure gauge. Not outrageously expensive, but hopefully going to be well worth it. The price I paid for all the fittings was about the same as a new regulator, so if it keeps me from having to buy another regulator, it was worth it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.